One of my favorite times of year. Semi-annual clearance sale is back, 30% off. All their clearance items. Got Notre Dame shirts, $15. Normally $22, so that comes out to what, $11? $10.50 or something. SC shirt down to $7. Clippers hoodie down to $50. So that's what, $35. Brooklyn Dodgers t-shirt right here, $30. LAFC, $20. They got some kids Luka Dallas jerseys. How are these still $10 though? I feel like those should be hella cheap. Got these Clippers in a bunch of sizes. LAFC jersey right here, $80. $80, another 30 off on top. Normally $110 for these Lakers pants right here. This is an XL Pro Standard. $25 for Oklahoma Sooners jersey right here. This is Jordan brand. $25 XL. That's like the t-shirt section right here. I think this one is jerseys. Got Larry Johnson XL. Damn, dude. They're not dropping none of the prices yet on jerseys. It's been like that for a while. Cooper Cup jerseys. Why are they still 88? You ain't even been with them for a minute. Even got Parsons. Like this should be like almost free. Come on now. Come on now. 65. Men's Luka. 75 still. Dang. I was so excited to come here, and it's like stuff that people really aren't looking for. Parsons. I thought they would have gotten rid of all this stuff. Wait, they got a Vince Carter jersey. This is a kid's, I think. Yeah, it's a large kid. Still 90 though. Yeah, not really cracking yet. 30% off all this stuff though. They also have $10 hats. I think anything marked 25 and under goes to $10. Got these adjustable hats. These fitted hats for $10, not bad. Lakers fitted hats. Got 758s, 8. Lake Show hat right here. All these go for $10, not bad. Sometimes they got some of these accessories on discount. Okay, these are $10 SC. They got a Kings one, Raiders one, Broncos. Yeah, these are normally like 28 or something. Some of them are 20, some of them are 10. Okay, the Kings one's $10. See stuff like this discounted. I don't think they're on clearance. They're not an additional discount. I don't think. I just noticed that's a LeBron sock. That's hilarious. Yeah, that one's 15 normally. 22. I don't know if it's on clearance, so don't know. The sale did just start today, so maybe the prices will go down. They usually go down a couple weeks, but I don't know. It's gone down all the way to 50% sometimes after like 2-3 weeks. There have been other times where it hasn't. This past summer it sucked, but last year it was really good, so I don't know. We'll see. So that one's a locker room by Lids. This is just the regular Lids. And once in a while they'll have some apparel and stuff. Not really today. Got knit hats for 20. I think these are normally 35. Yeah. Not seeing any apparel here. They do have $30 hat section, $25 hat section. These are all the $10 hats. Anything marked $20 or less. These are $10 right here. Fitted hats, Lakers fitted hats for $10. Clippers one right there. And they got some hats for $10, 7/3/8. I think, is that my size? I think that's my size right there. I don't really wear too many hats, but to check for you guys, not the craziest selection. Got the New Balance outlet here as well. They still got 40% off clearance. Crowd super chill right after Christmas. And that means 40% off everything on the back wall since they all got stickers on them. And then 40% off a bunch of stuff in the aisles. Like these fresh foam Cajas right here, $60. Are you serious? These look like old people's shoes though. $60, 40 off. I have 74, $70. 990s, these are 2 bills. Look, these are clean. Drops those down to $120 after the discount. $110 for these. 90, 60s, $150, 997, $50. What are these? Those warped? Yeah, the warped. Go for 130. Fresh foam Gares, I don't know, 80 bucks. More 997s right here. These are 6.5 though. 2 bills. And if I remember, these are made in the USA. 480s go for 70. Got 1080s. This is like the ugliest colorway though. Like a mint green midsole, outsole, 100 bucks. Let's see all the clearance shoes in the aisles. Some Tech Trails, Fresh Foam Gares or whatever the hell these are called. At least I got the prices on all these. Fresh Foam Arishi V4s, 237s, off of 60. Another one of those. 471s, 480s. Pretty dope colorway of these 480s right here. This is off of 70. RC 42s, 100 bucks. 1906s, multiple colorways. We got 990s here. These are 100 bucks, 40% off. They've had these like, I want to say almost the entire year at one of these spots here, as well as some of the other spots, some of the other ones that we've been to. 990s is off of 200. These are off of 220. And this is a clearance store, so they have another entire aisle and then half of that aisle. Most of the other factory locations are not going to have this many stuff on clearance in the aisles. Got this is the fourth one. This is off of 150. 1906 off of 140. 515s. These look a little bit plain, but still not bad. 740s. I've seen these hella cheap even at the retail shops. Not as cheap as this though. 740 right here. Last one. B500 off of 60. Back tab is a slightly different color. All same price, $60. Wait one right here. 90, 60s off 130. This is off of 150 right here, last one. And then they also have other sneakers that are not on clearance, $100. That's actually a really good price, but you still get buy one, get 150 off. And these are off for the 1080 V14s. I believe these are the outgoing model. But yeah, that $100 still a decent price, but BOGO 50 out, not bad. I'll wait for them to go on the clearance wall and I'll try to get another one. Super Comp Trainer Elite right here. This is like their competition to the Vaporfly Next Percents. These are $189. You do get that BOGO 50 off. And they have other shoes here as well. I don't really know the name of all these, to be really honest. Moving over to the women's clearance section, where they got 1080s here. These are size 13 women's, 11.5 men's. $100, so that goes down to $60. Grab these for one of my workers for Christmas. She was a huge fan of these. These are $60, so $36 after the discount. More colorways. These are 90 right here. Dope colorway of these bad boys right here. Some 680s. These are going for 80. I don't think the stocks changed here that much. The 1080 prices in the men's, that went down a little bit. Actually a good amount, but I think that's the only real change. 574s. These are size 12 women's. So 10.5 men's, $70. That's under $40. That's a dope colorway too. My favorite thing about New Balance, you can always have them use some more, which is pretty dope. Got Fuel Cell Rebels right here, 110. If you don't find your size, they can always order them for you. More of the Fuel Cell Rebels here, 110. Got Fuel Cell Rebel V5s. This is the latest version of these, the V5s. And yeah, 130 for that. That's hella cheap. The 4s are usually the ones we see here at the outlets. 997s right here for women. These are going for $60, so $36 after a discount. Another one of the 1080s go for $100. All right, let's move on to the aisles where we see a lot of yellow tagged items, like these Fresh Foam Cajas. This has like the older Fresh Foam look. I think like the 1080 V13s had that look. Maybe it's the V12s, I don't know. But yeah, a bunch of these Fresh Foam Cajas. Huh? What the hell is this? Huh? How do you pronounce that, huh? Tech Trails. Multiple colorways right here. Fresh Foam Hero. These are going for $130. I got the 1080 V14s. I grabbed a couple of these for My female workers, $60 after discount. Hell of a price. Got some 680s, multiple colorways. Fresh Foam V. Oh, these are the Fuel Cell Rebel V5s, 140. Dang, they feel like a lot more comfy than the V4s. 574. This actually looks really freaking dope. A lot of suede on it, $100. So it's 60 after discount. Got it in black right here. These are 80s, 1906s, 680s. Slightly different than that other one. This is going for 80, 237s, 997s, 515s, Fresh Foam Orishis. Look at this right here. What the hell? Damn, 997s, $36. Hell of a price. I got plenty of sizes up to size 10 women's. Decent look, especially for $36. Last one, Fuel Cell Rebel 5s right here. But never mind, they got some yellow tag stuff over here. Like these 370s, 327s, and these 574s. This is off of $80. All right, this is the New Balance clearance store. Slightly different than the factory stores. But yeah, I freaking love this place. All right, do we have one more? Yeah, we have one more spot. I don't know if you guys could tell, raining like crazy. Still quite a bit of people here because I had to park way far away. Just like 2 days ago, I was wearing a tank top. Kind of crazy. It's raining like crazy. I never do umbrellas. Do you guys do umbrellas? I don't know. I hate hate carrying stuff. But yeah, 60% off clearance here at Adidas. Of course, we got to start out in the clearance section. Anything with the red tag gets 60 off. Hold up real quick. They do have the Evo SLs, 120, 150. All right, I had to see if they had those real quick. All right, let's see what's in the back wall. They got the crazy ones, aka Kobe ones right here. $100, so is that $40? $40 is actually a decent size too. This looks like a size 10. Yeah, size 10. These are pretty freaking comfy. I don't remember the name of these, but they are comfy as hell. Oh yeah, like I said, the ID Stars. 110 before the discount. What are these? The Crazy Infinities. Right here. Don't see a price tag. I grabbed one of these for my kiddo a while back. I think I grabbed it for like $25. Ultra Boost. In his high school colorway. I don't see it. I don't see a tag. That one doesn't have a tag. This one does. 130. 60% off. The one that I grabbed was marked wrong, but they did give it to me for that price. They ended up making sure all the other ones were priced right. $90 for these. I like these. I don't know why. They remind me of the Kobe 2s. I think that's why. The Adidas Kobe 2s, by the way. There's another one down here. Seeing if it's marked wrong. No, I don't see it. 120 for these Mad Infinities. Never seen these before. What the hell? Yeah. Samba Lux right there, 140. Got black one, 140 as well. Almost everything here, 60% off. Anything with the red tag, so it's all priced like pretty decent, to be honest. I'm gonna scope out the women's section, see if there's anything like this. But I bet you it's excluded. Yeah, it's excluded. Bastards, 150. These are the Evo SLs. These are kind of what I'm looking for. These are size 10. 10 women's. Got a bunch of these Ultra Boost too. $100 excluded from the discount. Ultra Boost 5X down here. I think these are going for $100. They have multiple sizes. $100. So what, $40 after a discount? I got a bunch of these. What are these? Arukus. These are walking shoes. $80, 60 off on top. They got those in so many different colorways. I got Ultra Boost 5X. Multiple colorways, $100. And almost the entire women's section, all Urukus. That is crazy. I got these Ultra Boosts right here, in between 125 and a few of the 5X Ultra Boosts right there. In the aisles, mostly generic stuff. They still do got some of these Fear of Gods right here, smaller sizes though. I think the biggest is a size 7. I told you guys about these weeks ago though. We got AEs right here, $75, not included in the 60 off. They got those in multiple colorways. They send them cheaper at the retail shops. And then lots of generics other than those Evo SLs, which aren't even heavily discounted. Yeah, and the women's section kind of the same. Oh wait, this is actually a really good price. This is a Boston 12 though. This is not the latest model. They're on the 13s, and the size is kind of limited. The biggest size are 9.5, and they're getting more and more of these. But yeah, excluded from the promos. And then mostly generic stuff. Dude, their clearance section right here, not bad. Look at this for the women. Clearance section, $50 for this running shirt. Oh, it's like really nice material though. They got skirts and stuff, 60% off. Already discounted prices. And then the men's it's only 40% off. What's up with that? They're also giving out extra coupons and stuff. Like I think it's the same stuff they had before if you buy. Oh, there it is. The buy more, save more event. Then they got stuff right here, take an additional 40% off, but it's not already discounted. So like prices are okay, but not crazy for the men. Seems like it's way better in the women's section. Yeah, the women's section you get that extra discount, but I think that's about it. Out here at round one out in Burbank. Been here for I think close to 2 hours. Curious to see if my kiddo has any credits left. This place is not cheap. Oh, they do got a deal on ice cream. I've had maybe like 3 or 4 scoops of ice cream because it's only $1. But yeah, they're playing this. My kiddo playing this right now.